The aviation and astronautics sectors have a lot of astronauts supporting this industry, and you are also concerned about the 3 traveling astronauts already in the space. So, what will be the major tasks this year for the space station? Thank you for your question. I would love to take this opportunity, first of all, on behalf of all of the researchers and scientists of the China Manned Space Engineering Project, to thank all of the media groups for your concern and support and attention to our project. Last year, the Manned Space Engineering has its sub-project of a space station in implementation, and we have launched the core module of Tianhe, 2 manned spacecrafts and 2 goods carriers, and we sent the astronauts into the space stations, and we have completed the key technologies verification task. Right now, in the core module of Tianhe, it's already in orbit for 10 months and over, and it's in very good shape. As to Shenzhou number 12, the crew members have accomplished their task, and on September 17th last year, they have returned to the Earth. Right now, they are in about 6 months of observation period. It's approaching the end, and these astronauts are all in good conditions. They will dive into their daily work again. And as to Shenzhou number 13, the crew members have been in orbit for 140 days. In those days, I've been in teleconferencing with them. They report to us about their conditions, physically, in work, and in life. They sounded perfect, and they accomplished all of those planned items on their agenda, including some contingencies, and they are scheduled to return to the planet in mid-April. And their returning will represents the completion of the verification period of the space station project. So those people have contributed greatly to the technology development. And as to the data analysis and processing, we've done some evaluation, and according to the evaluation, in different systems of astronautics, including the rockets, the application system, the overland system, those systems are up to the engineering standard. And functionally speaking, they have outperformed the set targets. Since May this year, we're going to enter into the construction phase of the space station, and it is planned that we will launch another 2 space stations, experimental capsule, and 2 goods carriers. And we will send another 6 astronauts into the space station. As to Shenzhou number 14, the crew members, during their in-orbit time, will embrace the 2 experimental modules. And as to their tasks, for example, in the 2 experimental capsules, they will have some takeover work and transitioning work, and they will observe it. And when necessary, they will do some controlling work. After the alignment and the interface, they will do some experiments. As to the crew of Shenzhou 15, by the end of this year, it will be launched to the space station, so as to meet with the crew of Shenzhou number 14 in the space. That's something we're quite looking forward to. By that time, such a station with 3 different separate stations, 1 goods carrier, will weigh at about 100 tons in total. This project supports the life science, material science in space, the combustion science and basic physics, and some other space experiment equipment. And 6 astronauts are working in China's space station, and they will present themselves to the whole world. We're looking forward to it. Thank you.